Hi, doctor. Thanks for meeting me today.
Of course. How are you doing?
I'm good, but honestly, I keep forgetting things lately.
Oh, really? Like, what kinds of things?
Simple stuff. Where I put my phone, people's names, even grocery items.
That happens to a lot of people. You're not alone.
I thought it was just me losing focus.
It's usually not memory loss, it's lack of attention.
So, is there a way to fix that?
Absolutely. There are simple brain exercises that can boost your memory.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
The first one is visualization.
Visualization? What's that?
When you try to remember something, picture it clearly in your mind.
Like making a mental image?
Exactly. For example, if you need to buy apples, imagine a big red apple in your hand.
That sounds easy.
It works wonders. Your brain remembers pictures better than words.
Nice. What's another exercise?
Repetition. Say things out loud or write them down multiple times.
Oh, like when I repeat a phone number to remember it.
Exactly. Repetition builds stronger memory connections.
Cool. What else can I try?
Try learning something new, like a new language or instrument.
Really? How does that help?
It challenges your brain and forms new neural pathways.
That's amazing. So, it's like a workout for my brain.
Exactly right.
Any other fun ideas?
Yes, play memory games, like Sudoku, crossword puzzles, or word games.
Oh, I love crossword puzzles.
Perfect. That keeps your brain active and alert.
I used to play memory match games as a kid.
Those are great too. The brain loves patterns.
What about physical exercise? Does that help memory?
Absolutely. Regular exercise increases blood flow to your brain.
So walking or jogging helps too?
Definitely. Even 20 minutes a day can improve focus.
That's good to know.
Another key factor, sleep.
Oh no, I barely sleep 6 hours.
You need at least 7 to 8 hours for your brain to process memories.
Wow, I didn't realize sleep was that important.
It's crucial. During sleep, your brain organizes and stores information.
So I've been skipping memory maintenance.
You could say that.
I'll start sleeping better then.
Good idea. Also, mindfulness meditation can help.
Meditation. I've heard about that.
It improves focus, reduces stress, and sharpens your memory.
How long should I do it?
Even 5 minutes a day is a great start.
Okay, that sounds manageable.
You can also read daily.
I love reading novels before bed.
That's great. Reading keeps your brain active and builds vocabulary.
So reading helps memory too.
Yes, it forces your brain to remember characters, plots, and ideas.
I like that.
Another trick, teach what you learn to others.
Oh, I can do that. I often explain topics to my friends.
That's perfect. Teaching reinforces learning.
Makes sense, like reviewing for exams.
Exactly. It's called the retrieval practice technique.
I'll remember that.
Speaking of exams, try chunking information.
What's chunking?
Breaking large information into small groups.
Like remembering a phone number as 555-672-1999?
Yes, much easier than remembering all digits together.
That's smart.
Another brain booster, stay hydrated.
Oh, I'm terrible at drinking water.
Dehydration affects focus and memory.
Okay, I'll carry a bottle from now on.
Great. Also, eat foods rich in omega-3s, like fish and nuts.
Brain food, right?
Exactly. Nutrition plays a huge role.
I love almonds, so that's easy.
Perfect snack for your brain.
What about technology? Does it hurt memory?
It depends. too much screen time can reduce attention span.
Oh, guilty. I scroll on my phone too much.
Try taking tech breaks every hour.
Got it.
Here's another simple tip. Write by hand.
Really? I always type notes.
Writing helps the brain process information better.
I'll start journaling again.
Great idea.
What about listening to music?
Classical or instrumental music can enhance focus.
So, no lyrics?
Right. Lyrics can distract sometimes.
Okay, instrumental playlist it is.
Perfect.
Do social interactions help memory too?
Yes. Talking to others stimulates your brain.
So, hanging out with friends is good for my brain?
Absolutely.
That's the best advice ever.
See, learning can be fun.
It really is.
Also, keep your stress low. Stress blocks memory.
Easier said than done.
True, but deep breathing helps.
I'll try that.
Finally, keep a daily routine.
Like waking up and studying at the same time?
Exactly. Routine strengthens mental discipline.
Wow, there's so much I can do.
Start small, one habit at a time.
That's a relief.
Within a few weeks, you'll notice real improvement.
I'm excited to try all of this.
Good. Keep your mind active every day.
I will. Thank you so much, Doctor.
My pleasure.
You've made brain training sound fun.
That's the goal. Learning should always be fun.
I'll tell my friends about this too.
Excellent idea.
Maybe we can make it a group challenge.
Even better. Group motivation helps.
Awesome.
So, are you ready to start your brain workout?
Yes, let's do it.
That's the spirit.
Thanks again for all your tips.
You're very welcome. Keep your brain sharp.